starting to get a little concerned about my health now, for the first time. Sometimes the littlest thing will freak me the fuck out. You ever do this? You ever take yourself to the ER, and then when you get there, you look around and go, ah, shit. I didn't have to come here. I could have totally iced this shit on the couch, I think. But like, fuck it, I took a number. I was going to stay for 2-3 days, however long it takes for them to see me. Just push through with it. Yeah, I went to the ER for a very embarrassing reason. I went for a nut allergy. Yeah, right. The guy next to me was stabbed. I was there because I accidentally had hazelnut coffee creamer. I was like, he's bleeding out. I'm itchy. Like, should I be here? This is an extraordinarily stupid disease that should be cured right away. It makes no sense that it's still around in 2021. Like, we have this amazing technology, self-driving cars, yet a man can be killed by trail mix. Really? We're okay with that. Obviously it could be cured, the nut allergy, but they're on to other things, is what's going on. No one cares about the nut allergy. This is the problem. No one gives a shit. It's true. There's no fundraisers for me. No, there's no walk for nuts. It doesn't exist. No one's wearing a little brown ribbon because I can't enjoy Nutella. No one. And I want Nutella. I saw what that shit did on the banana. You out of your mind? Hell yeah, I want Nutella. It's terrible. And science is amazing, man. They're doing amazing stuff. They cured restless leg syndrome. You know what this is? It's when you kick your legs at night. This is a condition that if you have it, you don't even know because you're fucking sleeping. Science was like, audit, this deserves our attention. I'm like, what about me? I'm running from pesto. Can you help me? Like, fuck no. Science can do amazing shit. Obviously they could cure it. I got, you know how good science is? I got a buddy, my buddy Chuck, right? Chuck at one point was a guy, but he was very displeased with his man parts. He was like, I don't want these parts, I want some different parts. Well, Chuck got a lot of money in an inheritance, went out in a very short amount of time, reversed his shit. But Chuck made a decision one day to just change his gender and did it, like biologically too, on some level. But I gotta live with this nut allergy? What the fuck? I'm in a culture right now where if I want to install a vagina on Monday, no problem. If I want to enjoy a Snickers on Wednesday, oh fuck that, no. That's a pipe dream. I might as well go look for unicorns. Like, it's not gonna happen. They got that, you know what they got for me? They got that EpiPen, that stupid fucking thing. Yeah, the EpiPen, this is all. The doctor gives me this EpiPen. He goes, hey man, next time you eat a nut, right? This is what you do. You stab yourself in the ass or the thigh with this needle. I was like, hey doc, do you got any medicine that when I take it, it doesn't require me to pull down my pants at Panera? Do you have any? Can I keep my pants on at least when I save myself? Because that's a family restaurant. Someone might call the police if I take my pants off there. And then if I lose the pen, at that point, I'm just some asshole that took his pants off at Panera. I'm going to be the itchiest dude in prison. You gotta think of these things. And then I gotta keep that EpiPen on me at all times. You know how lame that shit is? I try and hide it though. I don't want no one to see that. Especially if I'm like, you know, with a lady. I don't want her to see that. The nut allergy, I gotta tell you, Long Beach is a major cock block. You don't think about that, do you? Yeah, because having a nut allergy, you know what it is? It's a sign of major genetic weakness. And women are very selective. There's no lady out there thinking to herself, hey, you know who I'd like to mix my genes with? That guy that can be killed by a stone. That guy. I'm gonna make a warrior, he and I. Just for the fuck of it, I should get together with a lady who's lactose intolerant, has a gluten allergy, and just make the weakest baby you ever seen in your life. Just for the hell of it. But hey Jonesy, your baby died after 2 weeks. What the fuck happened? I don't know, man. We strolled past a bakery, and that was it. I should have never taken her out of the bubble. My little bubble baby. I should have left her in the bubble. They had this other thing. They tried to help me in middle school. Maybe you guys have heard of this situation. We had a nut-free zone in our cafeteria. You ever heard about this shit? A nut-free zone? Yeah. Nothing extravagant. It was just a table in the corner in the cafeteria, and no nuts were allowed over there. And from that moment on, I couldn't eat lunch with my friends. I had to eat with these nut freaks that I had never met. And you know, you can look around your cafeteria and see the future, can't you? Right? The athletes all sit together at one table, and we knew they were going to get scholarships. You got the nerds at another table, and we knew they were going to build apps and drive Bentleys. And then you had the nut table. And we weren't even sure we were going to survive the lunch period, to be honest. I mean, our future was a little murky. They're like, hey, y'all going to a 4-year school over there? I'm like, I'm just trying to avoid almond milk for 4 years, bro. Set the bar low. I heard they invented cashew butter. We're all very scared right now. But by the way, there was no security for the nut-free zone. There was no one keeping nuts out of the zone. No, we didn't have a budget for a nut bouncer of any sort. No, it's just some asshole printed out a picture of a peanut. Then they drew a red line through it. And then they taped it to the front of the table. And that was supposed to act as a force field to keep the nuts out of the zone for that hour that I was trying to survive and eat my shit. Yeah, not helpful. Any little dude could have just ran by our table and threw a nature bar in the center of it, just killed us all.